welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am dedicating this video to liquid eyeshadow. Yes, you heard it. You heard me talking about it. All these videos, and today they are front and center. You guys don't know who I am. My name is Chris. I'm an inspiring makeup artist, and I'm here on YouTube to share my love and my passion for makeup, and anything that I learned, I could pass it on to you guys so you guys can get better with your makeup as well. So if that sounds like something you want to tune into, definitely consider subscribing. I upload new videos every single week. So with that being said, let's get into the liquid eyeshadows. Alright guys, so if you have seen my videos, you know that I've been raving about liquid eyeshadow, especially Stila Cosmetics. I am obsessed with their liquid eyeshadow. Yes, I know you guys are probably like, boy, they're $24 a piece. Huh? Trust me when I tell you, I know where you could get them, and they're cheap. I'm talking about like $6 cheap. So I go to TJ Maxx. You could find really good, expensive makeup for super affordable. Like I'm talking about Too Faced, I'm talking about Laura Mercier, I'm talking about MAC, Stila. You can get so many good stuff at your TJ Maxx. So in my little collection that I'm getting together, I have 2, 4, 6, I have 7 Stila liquid eyeshadows. Alright, so these are mine right here. And I never paid $24 for not one of these. Not one. So for today's look, I'm gonna pick 3 shades out of my little collection, and I'm gonna create a look with that. I'm also gonna use the Milani Pure Passion palette just for a transition color, and then probably to blend out the bottom lashes as well. I'm gonna go in with Molten Midnight, which is this black, beautiful black color with silver glitter. This, what you're gonna see, this is beautiful. Then I'm gonna go with one of my current favorites, which is Spiritual. This one I bought not too long ago, and I actually did a look with this one as well. And then I'm also gonna go in with Wonderlust. I love this one because it's like a champagne-y color, but it does have reflex of like purple and pink in it. It is bomb. Oh, and also, as you can see, I got my line and define tape. Yes, I did. I went to Ulta and I got 3 packs, honey. 3. And I cut them in half. They come with 40 strips. You cut them in half. You have 80, and trust me, you'll have them for a minute. Right, so for transition color, I'm gonna go in, like I said, into the Milani Pure Passion palette. And I wanna go into Totally Fond of You, which is this nice caramel color right there. So my plan is I'm gonna use Molten Midnight, which is the black glitter gray one, on the outer V. Then I'm gonna use this one, Spiritual, which is like a weird gold greenish color in the middle. And then in the front of the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna go in with Wonderlust. I'm gonna go in with Molten Midnight, but I'm gonna use like a small shader brush. This is the Morphe M508. As you can see, this little thing, just to draw out the shape of the outer V, and then go in either with the applicator or a brush and really pat that color in. One thing I like doing is taking like a liner pen like this one, or something like this right here, and dipping, and you could actually do a full, like a glitter in your face wing. I've done it before and it looks beautiful. But let me just continue. Whew. Alright guys, so that is Molten Midnight. Do you see that? Do you understand why I am in love with these Stilas? Like, it's just bomb. Like, it's bomb. And the fact that I don't pay $24 is even better. but let me calm down. So what I did was I followed, I'm telling you, these tapes are bomb. So I followed the tape. It kind of shaped first the shape that I wanted, and then went to fill it in. So now we're gonna go in with the color Spiritual. Take this and start from where Molten Midnight ended and blend that towards the inner corner, and then we're gonna go in with the other color. Alright, so that is Spiritual down. As you can see, this is looking really disco ball, but I'm just gagged. If it looks a little patchy, I'm just not putting too much color padding down. I just want the whole shape to be done, and then I'm gonna go in and blend all the colors seamlessly. So now we're gonna go in with Wonderlust, which is this beautiful shade right here. And we're gonna do the same thing, same brush, application, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so this is Molten Midnight, this is Spiritual, and Wonderlust all in my eyes. And this came out so good. Do you guys see this? Like, oh, I am literally gagging over this look. Like, it's crazy what an idea could just turn into such a beautiful thing. So, I'm like in awe with myself. Like, I'm telling you, practice makes perfect. Alright guys, so it's about time we take these 8 eye tapes off. So here goes. Ooh. Oh my god. So now we're gonna get into the face. So I'm gonna prime my face with the Photo Focus Matte Primer. If you guys see my other videos, you know that I love this primer. So for contouring, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I'm gonna go in with maybe these 2 shades right here, and then I'm gonna conceal with my Maybelline, excuse me, Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. So I'm trying a new foundation out today. I'm actually gonna go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and I'm in the shade Sand. I've been thinking about doing a full face of e.l.f. Let me know in the comments below if that's something you guys would like to see. Alright guys, so foundation is all blended out. I'm actually really liking this foundation. So like I said, if you guys want to see a full e.l.f. face, let me know. Because so far, this foundation is popping. And to set this face, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite setting powders at the moment, which is the e.l.f. HD powder. And this is in Sheer. To give some color to this face, we're going with the LA Colors bronzer in the shade Beach Babe. So for blush, we're gonna go in with the Bake Powder Blush from Milani, and it's in the shade Pink Delicioso. This is what the shade looks like. This is really, really pigmented. To highlight this face, baby, we're gonna go into the Milani Stellar Lights, and this one is 02. This has like a pink right here, a blue, and this gold shade. I think we're gonna go in with this gold shade today. So I'm gonna take my LA fan brush, and we're gonna go in, baby, and we're gonna highlight this face. So guys, I finished the rest of my face off camera. So lashes, I have the Kiss Lash Couture in Brassy Air. Lips is the Milani Satin Matte Lavish with some lip gloss from Alamar Cosmetics. Waterline is the NARS liner, which is this one right here, super, super black. And then I took the shade Totally Fawn of You and smoked it on the bottom lashes, and that is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys love it, because I am gagged over this look. It might look like it's difficult, but when I tell you, this was not planned. Literally, I just thought about it and I just went with it. Is it super perfect? Maybe not, but it's so much fun to just create these beautiful looks, and I'm like super in awe with this. Really quick, again, Stila Liquid Shadows are amazing. They are pricey. They are $24, but if you go to TJ Maxx, I'm telling you, I swear by it, they are at TJ Maxx. But I know this is a whole Stila video and whatnot, but you know I got you guys. So if you guys can't find the Stila and you guys don't want to spend obviously $24, I have a little dupe for the Stila. I actually have two. I have the e.l.f. glitter ones right here. They're really cute. I have this blue one and this gold one, and when I tell you, I love the blue, but this gold is super pigmented, like super pigmented, and they're only $5 at Ulta and also at Walmart. Another dupe is actually from my favorite brand in the world, Milani, and these are the metallic lights, and I have 3 of them. So this one is it's like a brownish gold, so maybe you can see it, so pretty. And then I have this, it's the same color, but I have these 2 and they are in rose. And these actually I found them at TJ Maxx as well, but they are on Milani website. I think they're $8.99 right now on sale. So if you can't get the Stila, definitely check Milani or e.l.f. And actually e.l.f. expanded their colors. They have a purple, a green one. I think they have a new silver one. There's a whole bunch of colors extended, and these are also in different shades. So definitely check them out if you, like I said, if you can't get the Stilas. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. I'm super hype on how this look came out. It is bomb. It is so creative. I will wear this for Christmas. I will wear this for New Year's. Yes, I'm extra. I don't care. Sue me. But literally, I am in. I don't think I'm gonna take my makeup off today. Don't ever sleep with your makeup on. Thank you so much for tuning to my videos. Like I said, I enjoy making these videos for you guys. I have so much fun creating these looks for you, and it actually test my creativity when it comes to eyeshadow. So this has been, so far has been an amazing journey. If you want to join me in this journey, definitely consider subscribing, hit that notification bell on so you never miss an upload, and just join the family. The more the merrier. I mean, we're gonna have fun on this channel, guys, promise. I'm on my way to 50 subscribers soon, so maybe in 50 subscribers I could do a little giveaway. So let's get up there and let's get this family bigger and bigger. But again, guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.